I'm tired, but I got it out. The hands-on review. Like, subscribe. I shot this thing in 4K. Took a long time to edit. If you need anything else, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, this is the stand for the cordless Andis Masters. It is exactly identical to the cordless T outliner, which I'll show you in a second. The double magnetic guards fit on this. It is the exact same blade as the corded master. So I'm going to show you the power by removing all of this guy's hair right here. This is number 4. And like I said in my quick review, these things have a lot of power. I've been using them over a year, and almost detachable power. Goes right through his hair. No bogging, no slowing down. They don't get very hot. They don't get as hot as the corded masters. They're not that heavy. They're all metal. The battery's not removable. And this is what they sound like right here. Check it out. I guess at this point, the biggest question is, are these better than cordless seniors? And I would say, if you are an Andis guy, if you're a Masters guy, you'll probably like these better. I think both of the clippers are both good. I use both of them. If I had to pick one, I would obviously probably pick the cordless Andis Masters, but that would be probably due to preference. If you like the blade, if you like the the way the Masters cut, the ching 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 sound when you're cutting the hair, this has that. I have not used any of these new Babyliss clippers, so I cannot compare it to those. I've been using these for a while now, and so far so good, man. It was like a Yeti or a mythological creature a couple years ago. Would we ever see cordless Masters? They're here. They're great. And if you're an Andis Masters guy, then I would highly recommend these clippers to you. I'm trying to think of any dislikes about them. Only thing I would say is if the battery pack was removable in the bottom, if they've added a little removable battery pack, that would be a pretty cool feature. Other than that, I didn't think they reinvented the wheel too much. They just made some really great clippers that are cordless. One of the best things I noticed during using these is that the power stays consistent throughout the entire use of the battery. So even if the battery gets low, you still have full power all the way through. This is the finished cut. I didn't want to make a huge video of me cutting hair. As you can see, they blend well. Just like any other modern clipper. The inside adjusts just like the old Masters. If the lever gets loose, you tighten up those 4 screws. The blade is similar to the blade on the cordless outliners, where it has a plastic piece on the back of one blade. So overall, these are my favorite clippers I've ever used. I will say that I don't think corded clippers are going to be around much longer because these cordless clippers have become so good. This is the inside of it. Um, yeah, Andis knocked it out the park with this. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you much.